You know you're mine. You got me so bad, wrapped around your finger.
Hi guys, this is Lian and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. As you can see on the title, I did the douyin makeup look. So all of the makeups that I used to achieve this makeup look is from pinkflash. So if you want to know how I did this look, then just keep on watching. So guys, I'm done prepping my skin. So this is our inspo for today's look. It's very soft and feminine. So for my concealer, I think I'm gonna go for this shade. This is the Lasting Matte Concealer in the shade 02. Actually, they gave me a lot of shades, guys. Because of my period, I have a lot of zits on my face right now. So, we're just gonna conceal it. Pero guys, meron ako nakitang tutorial sa Pinterest. Nilalagyan muna nila ng setting powder para hindi halata yung bump and para hindi nagmo-move yung concealer. Meron ako ditong zit sa forehead, like 3. And dito sa cheek area ko. I'm gonna use the sponge na binigay nila. I'm gonna apply the concealer na after ko siya lagyan ng powder. So, i-blend ko muna yung mga nilagyan ko ng powder. So, guys, kapag i-blend, huwag nyo siyang i-slide. Dab-dab lang. Dapat hindi harsh yung area niya. So, para ma-blend siya with the foundation later. I'm just gonna use the same brush, guys, to blend the other concealer on my face. Ang ganda ng coverage nito, guys. Like, legit. And the coverage is so nice. Like, as you can see kanina, diba super dark ng aking under eyes? So nice na shade niya, guys. This is the shade 02. So if you have the same skin tone as me, then this is the concealer for you guys. So if you're looking for a product na super affordable, pero maganda yung quality, you go for Focalor and pinkflash. So for my foundation, guys, I'm gonna use this long-lasting matte foundation in the shade number 1 Vanilla. So douyin makeup, guys, nag-wear talaga sila ng foundation. So this is a necessary step. Ang hirap pala ng may bangs, guys. Anyway, tinanggal ko muna siya kasi hindi ko ma-blend ng maayos yung aking nasa face. So I'm just gonna blend the foundation na lang, guys. So, kapag i-blend nyo naman yung foundation, guys, same method, dab-dab lang din. Mas maganda talaga yung lapad niya, lalo na kapag dab-dab lang. So, kung may sponge ako right now, I would use a sponge. Pero kasi, wala akong bagong sponge. So, I'm just gonna use the brush. Pero guys, kung beginner kayo, mas perfect if you're gonna use a sponge. Mas madaling mag-blend kapag sponge. Anyway guys, kumuha pala ako ng channel. Broadcast channel sa IG. So, kakatuwa yung interaction natin sa channel. You guys are so cute and I feel love. Uy! As you can see, guys, na-blend na natin siya and grabe yung atake niya, guys. Ang ganda ng pagkakalapat ng foundation sa face ko. Pinkflash is always giving. Hindi sila napapagod mag-slay, guys. For my brows, since naka-microblade ako, i-fill ko na lang yung mga gaps. Meron silang binigay na 3 eyebrow kit. So, may powder to, guys, and merong pomade. So, you guys can choose kung anong trip nyo. So, gamitin ko lang yung spoolie na binigay nila sa akin. So, ibabrush ko lang yung aking kilay para hindi siya magulo. Actually, hindi pa nga ako nakakapagpalinis ng kilay. Maglalagay lang tayo ng pigment sa mga areas na may gap. Ayan, pina-follow ko lang. And since powder to, guys, mas madaling mag-blend. Mas magandang gumamit ng powder, guys, especially if you're beginner. Hindi ka mahirapan magtanggal. Mabilis siya ma-remove if nagkamali. Minawash ko lang siya with a spoolie para hindi masyadong harsh or whatever. So, binigyan ako ng pinkflash ng 2 eyeshadow, guys. And this is the 03. Ayan. And this is the 04. So, I think I'm gonna go with the 03 kasi mas marami tong pink shade. As you can see, guys, more on light shades and more on pinkish yung kanya mga shade compared to the 04. This one is the 04. As you can see, more on warm and dark tones. So, for my base, lalagyan ko muna siya nitong parang cream color. Nakapaglagay na tayo ng cream color. This is the perfect shade. So, ayan, itong pink na to, guys. So, onti lang kasi super pigmented niya. Sa dulo muna, and then move sa harap. Dulo, then move sa harap. Soft douyin lang naman yung ating look. So, ayan. Dito sa dulo again, and then move sa harap. Ayan. So, for my lower lash line, gagamit ako ng mas manipis na brush. Ayan, flat brush siya, guys, na mas manipis. Yung beige na shade, guys, i-apply nyo siya all over your lower lash line. So, for the pink shade, guys, ilalagay nyo siya sa dulo lang. So, now, maglalagay na tayo ng SOCIALZ. Ayan, mas manipis siya, as in super flat. Ayan. So, we're gonna use the lightest shade here sa powder nila. So, this one is the 02. And guys, for this one, super onti lang talaga. As in, ilalagay ko muna siya dito. Para malaman ko yung mga stroke niya. Ipa-follow nyo lang yung line kapag nag-i-squint kayo. So, ayan. So, you can see, we have an SOCIALZ na. And, dito. Repeat the same thing here. So, for the shimmer, gagamitin ko tong lightest shade. Lalagay natin siya dito. Dito, guys. Sa ibabaw niyan. And dab-dab para hindi kumalat yung shimmer. So, that's how it looks like, guys, kapag may glitters. For the eyeliner, gagamit ako ng pomade. And ito yung shade na 01, the darkest shade. May pagka-grayish brown siya, guys. Super soft lang na eyeliner. Ayan, as you can see the difference. So, kapag nagkamali kayo, guys, you can use a cotton tip. So, ayan, para hindi lang masyadong harsh yung lines ng ating liner. So, for the contour, gagamit ako ng cool tone shade. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. It's from Hamish. So guys, I use the same shade for my face. And, ayan, sobrang soft lang. Don't forget your forehead, guys. And para ma-minimize din niya yung ating forehead. So, yeah. So guys, i-curl ko muna yung lashes ko before ako maglagay ng falsies. So, ayan. So, maglalagay ako nitong falsies. Kasi douyin, lagi silang may ganyan, guys. So, hindi yan mawawala sa ating makeup look for today. I'm just waiting for it to dry. So, guys, nakabit ko na yung isang lashes ko. So, now, ilalagay ko na lang tong right side. So, ginapit ko na din to, guys. Hindi ko siya isasagad sa dulo. Kasi, parang hindi siya maganda tingnan, guys. Nakabit ko na. And as you can see, very douyin lang ng lashes. So, nalagyan ko na yung aking lower lash line. So, mas open na yung ating eyes. So, for my blush and lips, I will be using this Pink Flash Duo Lip Gloss. So, meron ditong matte and meron din ditong glossy. I'm gonna use the matte for my blush. This is in the shade MO03. So, ayan guys, na-blend ko na sila. And as you can see, super pigmented. Pero okay lang kasi sa inspo natin, mapula naman talaga yung cheek. So, may mga excess pa dito. Ilalagay ko siya sa nose. Ayan, sa ilalim. Tapos dito sa chin area. So, I'm okay with the glowiness na ng face ko. So, hindi na ako maglalagay ng highlight. Pero guys, you can put a highlight here sa tip ng nose. And dito sa cheekbone nyo. So, pero ako guys, talagyan ko na lang yung aking tip ng nose. And I'm gonna use this cream stick, highlighter cream stick ng Focalors. I'm just gonna use my finger.
this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you like this makeup look. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that's it. See you guys on my next one. Bye!